Hello and welcome to this first lecture in this section on collaboration in this course, Mastering Artificial Intelligence. So in this section, we will help you learn one important part of being an AI engineer, that is to collaborate with uh, data scientists, software engineers, and domain experts. And that is essential for you to become a successful artificial intelligence engineer. Now, the question is, how can you collaborate with data scientists, software engineers, and domain experts to develop those comprehensive AI solutions that will address real world problems effectively? So, as we know, collaborating with data scientists, software engineers, and domain experts is essential for developing comprehensive AI solutions that can address real world problems. And how can you do that? Let's take a look at the steps that you need to take. So first you need to do is to start by clearly defining the problem, objectives and requirements of the AI solutions. What is it that you want your AI solution to deliver? What problem do you want it to solve, etc. And then you need to collaborate with domain experts to do a couple of things like gain insights into the problem domain because you do not know that, understand the user needs, and prioritize features or functionalities of the AI solution. What should it do? That's the question that you need to understand. Then what you need to do is assemble a cross-functional team consisting of data scientists, software engineers, domain experts, and other relevant stakeholders, and ensure diversity in expertise and perspectives to foster creativity and solutions. Then foster open communication channel with this team and encourage regular collaboration among team members. Schedule regular meetings, stand-ups, or workshops to discuss progress, challenges, and ideas. Uh, you need to then collaborate with data scientists and domain experts to gather, pre-process, and analyze the relevant data as we have seen in the steps outlined earlier. And there you need to ensure data quality, integrity, and privacy concerns are addressed throughout the data life cycle. So it has to be throughout the entire cycle. Then you need to adopt a iterative development process such as Agile or Scrum to facilitate incremental delivery and feedback and break down the AI solution into manageable tasks or user stories and prioritize them based on the value and feasibility. The value to your customers and your being able to do that. Then prototype, encourage data scientists to prototype and experiment with different algorithms, models and techniques because it's a matter of experimentation and iterate on the prototypes based on the feedback from domain experts and end user, which what part of the prototypes work, which prototype work better, what doesn't work and what needs to be fixed and what needs to be kept. So having looked at these few steps, let's look at few more things in the next lecture on how to collaborate with data scientists, software engineers and domain experts, shall we? Let's do that. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on collaboration in this course, Master in Artificial Intelligence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things in this lecture also. And I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer a question and also download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to look at deeper.